Hello friends, welcome to Full House Flavors. Today we have a very special recipe of one of the very popular appetizers, Chicken Tikka. It is grilled, it is healthy, and marination in yogurt makes it soft and tender and juicy and so full of flavors. Usually chicken tikka are cooked in oven or tandoor, but we are showing today an easy recipe that you can make it in pan at your home, the one that looks like tandoor style and tastes like one coming from the restaurant. So let's check out the ingredients to make chicken tikka. So we have used here 3 to 4 skinless chicken thighs, washed and cleaned properly and pat dry to remove excess water. Yogurt 3 to 4 spoon, red chili powder about half spoon, chaat masala half spoon, and we used here 3 to 4 green chilli, garlic 4 to 5 cloves, and same amount of ginger about 4 to 5, cumin powder half spoon, and coriander powder 3/4 spoon. And we have used here 1 spoon of kebab masala powder, and you can find the recipe of this on our channel. Or you can use any of your chicken tikka masala as well. And we are using orange food color here to give it a restaurant style look. Salt to taste, and olive oil about 3 to 4 spoon. Alright, so these are the ingredients. So now let's start making our chicken tikka. So to start off, we'll make a paste of our ginger, garlic and chili in olive oil. And we'll make it as small pieces so it all grinds well because we want a fine paste. You can even use the ginger garlic paste that comes from the store, but the freshly made paste, the flavor which will not be compared to the one we get it from the store. And this is really super easy to make and it comes in really handy, and we suggest you keep a small batch when you use it, and we make this paste in oil so it will not go bad even if you use it and keep it in fridge for like next time, you can use it for like next few days. So now our paste is ready, so we'll remove it out in a small bowl. And we are going to use this paste for our marination. So before we start marinating our chicken, we would like to make it some fine cuts on the chicken thighs. So what it does, when we marinate in spices, all the flavors, it gets in the inside of the flesh as well. And this is a key process, and that's how our chicken tikka is going to come out juicy and flavorful because all the spices are in there. So you can see how I've made the cuts. And likewise, we'll make this cut on all of the thigh pieces. Now we will prepare the marinade. So for this, we are using 3 to 4 spoon of yogurt, and we have removed the water, excess water, and yogurt is going to be our base for this marination. And in this, we mix our ginger garlic chili paste. And now we'll add our spices: cumin powder, coriander powder, chaat masala, kebab masala or chicken tikka masala, whatever you have, red chili powder, and salt to taste. We'll also add some freshly grounded black pepper. And now we are going to add a little bit of oil. Let's put about like spoon or 2 of oil. We're not using too much oil because our main base is yogurt. And yogurt marinated chicken comes out so perfectly juicy. It will keep the chicken soft and tender, and it also adds to such wonderful taste which you'd love it. So now we'll give it a good mix to all these ingredients. And now it's time to add a little bit of food color, and we're using here orange food color, and you have to use it a very tiny pinch. And the best way to do is take it out in a small bowl and mix it with a little bit of water, a tiny bit of water. And you can see now how the color is coming out. And the reason we do it in separately, not in the yogurt marination bowl directly, because if by accidentally you drop more color, it will come out so red, and we don't want that. And in this it goes a little bit of lemon, squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Alright, so now that we have added all our ingredients, we'll give it a good mix to this marination. And you can see how this color is coming out, beautiful orange color. I mean, this is what is gonna give you the restaurant style look. This tiny bit of food color is all that's the magic. Alright, so now it's time to add our chicken to this marination. So here, if you like, you can use even the use and throw gloves, and I did not have one right now handy, so I'm using my hands, but there will be a little bit food color in my hand, but that will go away once you wash with the soap water. And we are making sure that chicken is nicely soaked in this marination. You know, you can flip it both sides and make sure that all the yogurt marination goes in there. Likewise, we marinate all our rest of the chicken thighs as well. So now that we have marinated each pieces individually, and now it's time to put back all the pieces in the same bowl. And here is the secret: we have to keep this marination on for at least 4 to 5 hours, but we would recommend overnight, because the longer it soaks in the marination, and that's the secret to bring the flavor out. And we'll put this bowl in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. So now our chicken has marinated overnight. So let's check it out how our chicken looks. So you can see how tender it's looking already. So now our chicken looks perfectly marinated and is ready to hit the pan for cooking. So our cooking process goes in 2 steps. First, we cook our chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes in pan, and then we move our chicken to the griddle pan. So we've added some oil in our pan, and on medium-high heat, we're going to cook our chicken in the pan. And we have used here a non-stick pan, and it's a little bit wider pan where it can fit in 3 to 4 pieces. And you cannot go wrong with yogurt marination. It makes the chicken, the result comes out so amazing, you know, and it's soft and juicy, and you know, all the lemony flavor, it adds up really to the taste. So we'll spray some Pam here. Now it has cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side, and it's time to flip it to other side. And you can see how yummy it started looking already, and the beautiful color is coming out. Is just amazing. And now we're going to cook it a little bit more. So we'll put the lid and let it cook on low heat. And we let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes without disturbing, so the meat cooks well. And this aroma is so tempting. I wish you could feel it, but look at the chicken, you know, it's coming out so beautiful, and it's nicely getting cooked from both sides. And at this point, our chicken is already 80% cooked, and we don't have to overcook here, because now the second process, we are going to use our griddle pan to give it the grill mark on this chicken. And our griddle pan is on medium heat. It's already hot, so now we'll spray some Pam or cooking oil. And now it's time to put some grill mark on our chicken. So we have shifted our chicken from the pan to this griddle pan carefully, and we'll spray some Pam on both sides. Now look at how the chicken tikka is coming along. It looks so mouth-watering already, and with the medium heat, we're getting a good grill mark on the back of the chicken right now, and we have flipped to other side and give it a mark on other side as well. You can see how beautiful that tandoor style grill mark is coming on our chicken on the other side, and it looks so yummy. And I prefer using the Pam spray, because it just gives the right amount of oil it needs, and not too much oil, because we don't want to make it like which already is very juicy with the marination. So that's it, my friends. Our chicken tikka is ready. You can enjoy this with any of your favorite sauce or chutneys, or onion or bell pepper on the sides, whatever way you like it. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try and give me a feedback how you like it. And check out our other recipes on our channel too. We always have new recipes added up on the channel. If you like our recipes and if you like our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching, friends.